these products you need in your life, from skincare to perfume to the lip gloss.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. The weather the weather's changed, guys. It's changed again. We've got rain, we've got storms, we've got winds that are blowing the bloody lodge to pieces. I feel like we haven't done a proper get ready with me in a while, so I've actually genuinely missed doing them. I feel like I've been using some products recently and I keep thinking, why am I not sharing them with you guys? Because some of these products I am genuinely obsessed with and keep reaching for all the time. So we're just going to sit down, get ready, have a proper catch up and just chat about makeup. So grab yourself a coffee and get comfy, because I've got some good ones to share with you guys. And obviously I'm not gatekeeping any of these any longer. Okay, before we get into the makeup, I need to talk to you guys about some perfume. I've been wearing these perfumes non-stop just lately. You guys know that I've worked with Dossier before. I'm now an affiliate with them. So if you use my code or my link, I do earn a little bit of commission, just being honest. But honestly, I keep reaching for these perfumes every single day, even when I'm not filming. These are my genuine go-to perfumes. I've been doing this thing recently where I switch up my perfume for my mood or what I'm wearing, like a little fragrance wardrobe reset. I didn't realise how much I would enjoy doing that, but I honestly do. So first, we've got Musky Rose. This is inspired by Miss Dior. This is my everyday, easy go-to scent. It's floral, it's soft, it's slightly musky, but it's not heavy at all. It just sits really nicely on the skin. You know when someone just smells clean and put together? This is exactly what this gives. It's very, I've got my life together, even if I don't. Recently, I've been pairing this with a really cozy, fluffy jumper, and it just matches the whole soft, comfy, put together vibe perfectly. I'm not even joking. I literally will smell my wrist all day while I'm wearing this perfume. Do you guys do that too, or is that just a me thing? And then we have Fruity Oakmoss. This is inspired by Creed For Her. This one makes me feel a little bit more put together, I can't lie. It starts off slightly fruity and then settles into something warmer and a bit more earthy. It just feels more elevated. This is what I wear when I want to feel like I've got things together, even if things are a little bit chaotic. Outfit wise, I love wearing this with a little black dress. It gives that really confident, put together energy, like you've made an effort without trying too hard. And this one actually lasts on me as well, which I love because I hate when perfumes disappear. And then we have the Gourmand White Flowers, which is inspired by Viktor and Ralph's Flower Bomb. This one just makes me feel so happy. It's sweet, it's creamy, it's floral, but it's not sickly. It's just really soft and comforting. This is my cozy scent. Like if I'm at home, chilled, or just want to feel a bit more relaxed but still nice, I'll wear this. I love wearing this with joggers and a bodysuit, or even my favourite pyjamas. Tell me I'm not the only one that wears the favourite pyjamas, also with their favourite perfume. I'll leave my link and my code down below if you guys want to check any of these out. And if you do try them out, you have to tell me which ones you go for, because I love hearing that. And in the next video with Dossier, guys, I might do a little cheeky giveaway, so keep your eyes peeled for that one. Alright, let's get into the makeup. Telling you now, skincare is what makes your makeup look good. I used to skip this sometimes and my makeup just didn't sit the same at all. Since I've actually been consistent with my skincare, everything sits better, it lasts longer. It just looks more skin-like instead of makeup, so I don't skip that step anymore. Do you skip your skincare sometimes? I'm starting with the Medicube pore pads, and these just smooth everything out, especially around my nose, because that's where my makeup used to sit really weird. I'll then go in with the Haru. Now you guys know how much I love this. It just makes my skin feel really hydrated and healthy. It's lightweight, it sinks in properly, and it just preps your skin so nicely. I'll then go in with the L'Oreal Glass Skin Serum. This is where the glow starts. Even before makeup, my skin just looks fresher, more awake, like I've slept 8 hours, even though I haven't. For primer, I'm using my Beauty Crop Gripping Primer, and this actually grips your makeup, especially around my nose, because that's where it always moves. It just keeps everything in place. This is so good, and I keep reaching for this all the time. For foundation, I'm not even joking, this foundation is the reason my makeup has been looking so much better lately. This is the Fine Foundation in shade number 7. Okay, it's slightly pale for me sometimes, so I do mix shades depending if I've been tanned or not. Please tell me that you do the same. But the finish, it just looks like skin, which I absolutely love. It's not heavy, it's not cakey. It just smooths everything out and looks super natural. For my bronzer, I'll go in with my Made by Mitchell cream bronzer first. The base that warms everything up. It just blends so easily, it's not patchy, and it gives that really natural warmth to the face. Blush, I start with the NARS Orgasm Rush Stick. And I love this because it just melts into the skin. It gives that really fresh, really healthy glow to the skin, which I'm absolutely loving just lately. Lightly set everything with the Beauty Crop Poreless Powder. Away any of the shine, but still keep that glow. This is absolutely a gorgeous product. It literally keeps everything locked in and it minimizes pores, which I love. Then go in with the Fenty Powder Bronzer and just lightly set that cream bronzer in place, and this is what just pulls everything together. It sets the cream, adds a little bit more warmth, and just makes everything look more polished but still really soft. My blush, I'm going in with the Fine Powder Blush. Oh my god, I love this. It just sets and makes the blush last all day. Together with the Orgasm Cream and then the Fine Blush on top, together they are chef's kiss. They just look really soft, really blended, and just makes my skin look alive and healthy. Eyes, I'm using the Be Perfect Carnival Antidote palette. This is my I don't want to think palette. It just blends so easily. You can use this as a one shade go over and you're done, or you can do a full look using this palette. This is what I absolutely love about the Be Perfect Carnival palettes. You've got the bright colours in there if you want to do something bright and fun and bold, but you've also got your neutrals in there, so if you just want a quick wash of colour, it gives you the same effect, and all these shades all blend super well together. I then go in with the Jordana T-shirt Gummy Twinkle Stick in Sugar Bubbles. I've been obsessed with this product since the day I got it, guys. I'm not even being dramatic. It's gorgeous. I literally just swipe it on and tap it in, and it adds that nice little sparkle to every eye look. I then go in with the Black Magic liquid liner and just do a little flick. I feel like eyeliner just changes everything. Is that a yes or a yes? To finish everything off, I use the L'Oreal 3-second spray. This just melts everything together and takes away that powdery look. If you want your makeup to last all day without budging, this is the spray for you. It literally locks everything in until you want to take it off. Brows, I keep it really simple. I've been using the Temu pencil, brow pencil forever now, forever. And to go with it, I use the Got To Be Glue Gel. Easy, quick, and you're done. And then mascara. I love this one by L'Oreal. It's the Extensionist. It just gives me length. It separates my lashes, no clumps, exactly what I want. And it gives me that illusion of having lashes on, but not actually having lashes. It's my own lashes. This Extensionist mascara is chef's kiss. It's the best mascara I have tried in a long time, and I would highly recommend that you try it out, guys. It's gorgeous. And they've also just come out with a waterproof version of it. For lips, I'm wearing the Beauty Crop X Jordan Lipscomb Lip Combo in Sweet Date. This is my favourite. The other one is a little bit too dark for my skin tone, but the Sweet Date, chef's kiss. And then I top it with the Say lip gloss. Oh, it just glides on so easy and perfect. This combo is just perfect. Glossy, juicy, not sticky, and it just finishes the whole look. I've been genuinely wearing this every single day and I can't stop. I love it that much. Let me know what you've been loving lately, guys, because I'm always on the hunt for new products, you know that. Thank you for just sitting and getting ready with me. I feel like this was much needed. We needed to sit down and catch up and show you what I've been using lately. I might do another one of these soon because in these drawers, guys, I have got more products and I don't even think I've shown you all of them. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to stick around, hit the notification bell so you get updated every time I upload a video, which is every single Sunday. And I love you all so much. I love you millions, and I'll see you in the next one.